All right. So first of all, for doing bibliometric analysis, we have to download the abstract and other details of the various researchers in the particular domain. And for that, we in this video, I am using the Web of Science database, or you may use Scopus database also. So let's have a look at how we do that. For that, you must have the subscription of Web of Science database. In that, we have to mention the keywords. Right. So let's see. I have put in ethical dilemmas in leadership. Now, I put on this keyword and find out. Let's see that how many researches have been carried out in this domain, which are available on Web of Science. For that, I just press search. You can see 66 results. Web of Science, 66 results are there, which are on ethical dilemmas in leadership that are available in this Web of Science database. Now, I want to conduct bibliometric analysis of the researches on ethical dilemmas in leadership. For that, now what I have to do, I will select all this study, export it, and I will download the plain text file. Actually, when we talk about R, it uses plain text file for bibliometric analysis. So I exports records to plain text file, and here I will press full record. I need all the records which is available, full record and cited reference also, and I will export this data. You can see I'm having this file in my download folder with the name saved record 6 text file. It is text file. You can see. Now what I will do, I will just rename it. So where is it? Yeah, it is here. I will rename it as ethical dilemma. Ethical dilemma in leadership. All right, I have renamed it and I used it on my desktop. Yeah, the file is here. Now how we will move ahead. In R, what we have to do, as we know that R is available free of cost in public domain. So first of all, we have to download R in our system, and after that, we will carry on with the process that I am discussing. So you have to, first of all, you have to download the R Studio in your system. As I am having R Studio in my system, so I am just opening R Studio. Yeah, this is here. I open this R Studio. Now you can see there are the 4 windows pane in this screen. So here we write on the various programs. So for today, we are confined only for this bibliometric analysis. For conducting bibliometric analysis, first of all, we have to install the package named Bibliometrix. So what we have to do, we have to install the package Bibliometrix. For that, what we do, we go to the packages, install, and here we will type in Bibliometrix. You can see over here, yeah, install. The output, this window gives us the output. You can see that it is installing this software. In fact, package in R Studio. Basically, in R Studio, we are having various software and packages for conducting various analysis. So for bibliometric analysis, we use this Bibliometrix package. So first of all, we have to install this Bibliometrix package. Now, once this package install in it, now we have to call the function. How we call the function means that yes, in this Bibliometrix package, we will use the function bibliometric. You can see enter. It is working now, right now. Okay. Now we have to write down Biblioshiny and double bracket and press enter. Now it load the package and move to the online server. You can see. Now this is the window. It moved to this window. It moves over here. Now this is the window of Biblioshiny. You can see over here, right? Now what we have to do, we have to insert that data file over here that we have saved from Web of Science text file that we have saved. For that, we have to load data. Now, for this, we have to import raw files from where? Web of Science. And yes, database, it is a file from Web of Science. Now, from where we have to import? So yes, it is in my download folder or desktop. It has been uploaded. We can start with our bibliometric analysis. You can see it is showing all this database over here. Okay, close. Now, these are the various options of bibliometric analysis that we can do in Biblioshiny. So let's have a look how this window of this Bibliometrix is there. It is showing the various options. So data, we have load data, right? Now it gives us the overview. Overview, you can see over here the main information. You can see we are having overall 66 document with 14 sources. Time span is from 1996 to 2023. 211 authors are there. Single authors 13. International co-authors 22.73. References, authors, keywords, all these details are given over here. Now, you can also have this data in the form of table also. You can see this table. You can save this table in the form of Excel also. Now it has been downloaded in my download folder. Annual scientific production. You can see another important information about my database, that how the researchers in this field is going on from 1996 to 2023. You can see. So yes, there is a slump in the year 2022, but after that it goes down, right? So it's showing about the annual scientific production. Then average citations per year. It is showing average citation per year also. And again, you can download this diagram by using this icon. And moreover, along with that, you can also have table of this. You can see over here. And we can download this table also in the form of Excel. It has been saved. Then coming on sources, most relevant sources we have discussed in previous video, that it gives us the idea about what are the various relevant sources, what are the important analyses that have been conducted, what are the important researches that have been conducted. We can have this also. So we press most relevant sources, press run. And yeah, these are the most prominent journals in this field of study. General business ethics, nursing ethics, ethics and behavior. So we can identify the most prominent journals over here. So we can download this figure also, and we can have this in the form of table also. We can have Excel sheet also. Local cited sources, again, we can run over here. Yeah, these are the local cited journals. Then their local impact. We had to again run. This is that icon for running. It shows the local impact of the journals and sources production over time. Again, we have to press this run button. Yeah, this is sources production over time, that how they are co-occur during the period of study. So this is very common that for this figure, you can download simply, you can download this figure, and for table, you have to put on this table icon. You will find out all this data in the form of table, and you can download as Excel, CSV, or you can simply copy. Now here it is showing 10 rows. You can have all the rows over here. It will download all rows with you. So this is very much common in all the tabs. Now coming on documents, most global cited documents, we can identify that at a global level, what are the most global cited documents? We can have this also. I will press again run icon. Yeah, these are the authors along with the along with their journals, that what are the most global cited documents in the field of this ethical dilemmas in leadership. We can have this. Then most local cited documents. Again, I will press this. Again, this one, and table. You can have this data in the form of table also, and you can import it as a Excel file, export it as a Excel file also. Now, very important part that we have discussed in my previous lecture, I have discussed that emerging themes. For that, we have most frequent words, that what are the most frequent words that are used by the various scholars, keywords. I will put on this. You can see leadership, behavior, decision-making, dilemmas. It can be in the form of table also. Then we have word cloud also. It gives us the pictorial representation of the words that are frequently occur in this data analysis. You can see over here, right? You can see. Then tree map, yes, it is again one of the important pictorial representation in Biblioshiny, that it gives us the tree map also, that among the studies, what are the various keywords that occur in the studies by the various scholars during the period of study. You can see over here, it is showing various keywords along with their frequency in the various researches. So you can download this table and graph, and you have to explain in the research paper all these graphs and tables, and it can be a good paper, review paper for you also. You can write your first paper by using bibliometric analysis and using this Biblioshiny R. Word frequencies over the time, how it changes. Yes, you can also identify this also. For that, again, I press the run. You can see this is how over the time, what are the word frequencies. You can see perception occurs 4 times in the year 2014, leadership 5 times. You can also have the table for the same. You can now, again, you can export it as an Excel file. And again, very important and very interesting is trend topics. What I have discussed, the emerging topics in the field or the particular domain. So if I want to identify what are the various field of studies or the emerging topics that are occurring in ethical dilemma in leadership, I can have this 10 topics plot over here. You can see performance, education, behavior, work, health, leadership, and also we have the table also. So these are the items that are, showing the quartile of year-wise median and quartile Q3, Q1. And this is the words that are prominent or the emerging in the field of ethical dilemma leadership. You can have this also. And last, very important, is clustering. So in clustering, we have co-occurrence network. You can see that how they are co-occurring. It has made a various clusters. You can see this green cluster, orange, pink clusters. These are the various clusters that have been generated by it. And this is density. Density in terms of the various areas in the particular domain, how these areas or the people who are working on the particular area. So in this particular area, what are the common sub areas on which the particular researchers are working? So we can have this also. This is the table. It is showing all this, right? Then this is a degree plot, that what are the keywords and what are the areas in which the various scholars are working in the particular domains. Then it also identifies the themes also. We have a thematic map also. Yeah, these are the various themes. You can see one of the segment that is working on leadership behavior models. Another segment is working on health and psychology issues. Another is mindfulness and care. So you can see it also identify the themes also and give us the idea that what can be the future direction of the study, what are the emerging themes in the particular field of study. It gives us the cluster for that. Map, it is a network, how they are integrated. It also gives us the tables also, clusters also. These are the clusters and various documents also. You can see that it uses for generating the clusters. Then co-citation network. This is how the various authors are collaborating with each other. Histograph. It is giving the evolution of the authors, how they work together. The histograph it develops. Then social structure, that how the countries are collaborating with each other. You can see countries collaboration over here. Yeah, these are the various countries, how they are collaborating. USA collaborate with USA, United Kingdom. Here you can see United Kingdom, Australia. These are the collaborations and might give us the pictorial representation of the collaboration among the various scholars across various countries. Yeah. Moreover, yeah. So we have discussed all these things. So this is how it gives us the collaboration between various countries and between the various authors also. So we have all these ideas from here. This is the table that we have. Australia and India one. This is all shows the frequency of the collaborations among the various countries also. So this is all about the basic concept of doing bibliometric analysis in R. So just develop all these graphs and tables and work on it, explain it, and you will be having a very good paper on bibliometric analysis using R Biblioshiny. So thank you, students. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.